Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can make your body slimmer using CAPCUT PC. So just open the CAPCUT PC app and select your videos or photo with contain your body. Okay, so for example I'm going to select image photo here with the body. So I'm going to make the body slimmer. How to? Just select enhance in video right here, enhance. Okay, scroll down until you find the body option. Okay, here just turn on by check mark. Okay, you can select the white shoulders first and make it minus 50. Okay, and you can select arms and make it 100, neck 100, and then you select body, select body, make it 100, and waist 100, and select the chest, make it minus, and then hips, make it minus also. So that's it. As you can see, this is before and this is after. Before, after, before, after, and your body has been slimmed. Okay, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.